Oh, you use rubber on them things. You heard? Whistle.
Oh, stop saying we out of here.
Dang.
Y'all be cool, man. Man, man.
Look at
Yeah, y'all be cool, man.
it. Yep. Let me know when y'all want to put some 30s on that.
32, nigga.
Right. But, oh yeah, matter of fact, yeah, because there's some comp on one of them about to be out here in a minute too.
The red one?
Yeah.
He be voted up in the
In a minute.
Sir.
Over it. I want some white 32 floats too.
Oh, he really smashed their head. That nigga with that red one.
C1079. You hear me? These streets, I ain't hold it down, man. Word on the street. Join Bijou Star and Paramount Atlantic this Saturday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at God's Tabernacle of Faith Church, 19000 Garden Boulevard. Come enter for your chance to win prizes from the Z Squad and hear about the different health and wellness community programs at Paramount office. Log on to thehiphopcleveland.com for details.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's.
Hi, I'm Hamilton, ordering at the corner of Carnegie and East 32nd Street.
May I take your order?
Tonight's family meal, the Indians dinner box, featuring 2 Big Mac sandwiches, 2 cheeseburgers, a 10-piece chicken McNuggets, plus 4 small fries.
Thank you. Please pull around.
It's a long drive.
Actually, it's only about 30 feet.
The Indians Dinner Box at McDonald's. The perfect way to feed your whole tribe. Price and participation may vary. Limited time only.
You do it at the job or you gotta do it at Yeah, boy, special vehicle doesn't mean no game. So they finished with the ball?
God, this must still going.